Last time you were on, you talked to us about opportunities in the world of shipping. Why are you now focused on something called micro living?
Thank you. Good to be here. Big changes in the real estate market. Now, home ownership still very important. The U.S. economy, people still buying homes. You saw the Zillow earnings, the reaction. So these are changes at the margin, but there are changes in behavior. People are looking for housing options that aren't as traditional as they used to be. Things such as micro living, manufactured housing, single family rental are trends that are gaining a lot of traction and that we think are going to continue very strongly.
Because even with the tariff fight, and we've had many guests on this program who have said, well, we think most of the gains for the year may be made in the U.S. equity market. But by the way, we got a long way to go still in this year. Are you seeing your clients start to not dump stocks, but just look for other ways to make money out there?
Well, I don't think it's a question of dumping stocks. I think it's, you see all this turmoil in the world, the tariffs, Venezuela, Brexit, whatever it is. It's the new normal. So what should you do in these kind of times? Think about the future. Think about trends that are well underway, but it's still early. You can still get money into these trends. And some of these changes in housing perception, the way people want to live, where I think social media drives a lot of this. Mm-hmm. Came out of the financial crisis, some of these, and it's really a smaller way of living. And it's not needing a home as kind of a main status symbol or as a main store of wealth. And if you think about social media is more about the journey than the destination. People want to have great life experiences. People want to make lifestyle choices. People value freedom. People value being individuals. And a lot of that suits living in smaller accommodations.
Big homes in high-tax states are dead, aren't they? I mean, they're dying if they're not dead. So how do you make money off that? Are you talking about maybe not dumping stocks, but looking elsewhere outside of equity, like perhaps buying homes and renting them out? What's a good way to make money?
A good way to make money. So we don't recommend specific stocks or funds, but there are public options out there in the public markets. There are private options. These areas all need capital. The people who are involved in micro-living businesses, manufactured housing, single-family rental, can all put capital to work profitably, and it's a good trend to get.
What kind of a rough return could somebody expect from an investment in something like that?
15% plus type returns.
Per annum?
Yes.
It's pretty good in a market that may be flat for the rest of the year if you listen to a lot of our guests. And risk level, low, high?
Well, that's the key. The risk is lower than perceived because these are trends that we believe are very firmly in place and are not going to be reversed.